Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a LeetCode problem number 136, single number. This is one of the most famous beginner friendly beat problem because it teaches the XOR trick. So let's get started. We are given an integer array where every element appears twice except one element. Our task is to find that single unique element. Suppose suppose number is equals to 2 to 1. Here 2 appears twice and 1 appear only once. So the answer become 1. XOR observation. The main trick is XOR. Example, XOR properties are: if A XOR A is equals to 0, or if both are same, it will give answer 0. If A XOR 0, answer will A. This means duplicate number cancel each other. The approach is very simple. We have to travel all the array and keep applying XOR. The duplicate number becomes 0. Only the unique number remains. So I will show through the code. Int answer is equals to 0 for int num answer equals to numbers, and then return answer. So this is the simple code for this question. First we analyze answer is equals to 0. Now travel all the element through the array. For every element apply XOR. Answer XOR equals to num. Duplicate number will cancel each other, and finally the unique number will return inside the answer. And then after return answer. Suppose the number is 41212. It start answer equal to 0. 0 XOR 4. It will give 4 answer. 4 XOR 1, it will provide you the answer 5. 5 XOR 2 will give 7, and 7 XOR 1 will provide you 6, and 6 XOR 2 will provide you 4. The final answer is 4. The time complexity is O into n because we travel the array once, and the place complexity is O into 1 since no extra space is used. So that was the solution for 136 single number. This is a perfect beginner problem for understanding XOR and bit operation tricks. So thank you.